The Mediterranean diet is associated with a significantly reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, and today we'll look at some of the evidence behind that, and all the links are in the description below. Smokers are at higher risk of vascular disease, including abdominal aortic aneurysm. This 2021 study of smokers showed that for smokers and ex-smokers with a smoking history of less than 40 pack years, there was a significantly reduced risk of abdominal aortic aneurysm. This benefit was not seen in those with a pack year history greater than 40. This study, published in 2020, looking at the Mediterranean diet in patients with diabetes, was a meta-analysis of 41 reports. It showed that when comparing those with the highest compliance to a Mediterranean diet to those with the lowest compliance with a Mediterranean diet, those with the highest compliance had an approximately 20% reduction in total cardiovascular disease mortality, an almost 30% reduction in the incidence of coronary heart disease, and a little over 10% reduction in stroke mortality, and an almost 30% reduction in the incidence of myocardial infarction. The study suggested that the Mediterranean diet has a beneficial role in cardiovascular disease prevention for people with diabetes. This 2018 study looked at primary prevention of cardiovascular disease with a Mediterranean diet. The study included 7,447 participants who were randomized to either a control diet, which was simply advice to reduce dietary fat, or a Mediterranean diet supplemented with olive oil or nuts. The study showed that the individuals that consumed the Mediterranean diet were about 30% less likely to experience a cardiovascular event, such as myocardial infarction, stroke, or death from cardiovascular disease, as compared with a control diet. This 1999 study looked at whether a Mediterranean diet can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular complications after having a heart attack. The study showed very significant reductions in various types of cardiovascular complications and showed that the Mediterranean diet continued this protective effect up to 4 years after the first myocardial infarction, but did not negate other cardiovascular risk factors such as smoking or high cholesterol. This video is not meant as medical advice, it is simply a YouTube video. If you need medical advice, then you should see your physician. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our content. Thanks for watching.